On the axes below, plot y equals 1 over x, y equals 4 over x, and y equals negative 4 over x. Now, 1 over x we already dealt with in the last example, so we can just reuse the points we had for that. And so we've got a table here for 4 over x and negative 4 over x. Now, I'm going to use the calculator to help me with all of this. So I'm going to select the top window. I've already got 1 over x here. So I'm now going to put in 4 over x. And I'm going to put in negative 4 over x. Now, I'm just going to select number 2, and I'm going to produce a table, and I'm going to start the table at negative 10, and my smallest increment here is 0.1. I probably don't want to go that small. I'm just going to go up to 10, and I'll do them in steps of 1, and I'll do this one manually, although I can always use the calculator to do it if I want to. So that's going to be negative 0.4. So if we go for 5, that's negative 0.8. If we go to negative 2, that is negative 2. And then at negative 1, it's going to be negative 4. Now 4 divided by negative 0.5 is negative 8, and this one here would be negative 40. And we can't get the 0, and you can see on the calculator it gives us an error just here, and then we'll just reproduce the same values on the other side here, except that they'll be positive. Now, what's going to happen with these ones down here? Well, this is negative 4 over x, so they're just going to be the negative of these ones above. So that's going to be positive over here, 0.4, 0.8, 2, 4, 8, 40. And then over here they'll be negative, like so. Now, what we can do on here is let's select those once again, and instead of doing a table, let's do a graph. So the blue one is the original 1 over x, the red one is the 4 over x, and the green one is the negative 4 over x. Now look at the things that they have in common. The x-axis is still a horizontal asymptote. The y-axis is still a vertical asymptote. Now, if we look at the red curve compared to the blue one, we can see that it's been stretched away from the axis. And indeed, we know that this point here has coordinates 1, 1, and this one here has coordinates 1, 4. So it's been stretched 4 times further away from the x-axis as the blue one. And we can see the same is true down in this quadrant here. Remember, this is the first quadrant, this is the third quadrant. And for both of those, for 1 over x and 4 over x, the curve is in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. If we look at the green one, it's the same shape as the red one. It's got this stretch of 4 away from the axis, but now it's in the second and fourth quadrants.